Helo! Fel, rydych chi gyd yn gwybod dechreuodd y Cystadlaethau gyda Cystadlaethau yr Arwydd a'r uwchgylchu. As you all know, the competitions kicked off yesterday with the sign and the upcycling. Diolch i Dŵr Gymru am noddi Cystadlaethau yr Arwydd ac i FUW am noddi'r uwchgylchu. Thanks to Dŵr Cymru for sponsoring the sign and FUW for sponsoring the upcycling. O ganlad y northwyr o Dŵr Gymru a FUW, mi fydd gwybora i'r enillwyr am eleni a nad oes sioe arferol a nad oes modd cyflwyno cwpanau. As a result of the generous sponsorship from Dŵr Cymru and FUW, we are very pleased to say there will be prizes for the winners as a token gesture for missing out on the show and the silverware associated with the show. Diolch i Elin Jones, Llywydd y Senedd, a Nia Jenkins o gwmni Lwli Mabli am beirniaid. Thank you to Elin Jones, Presiding Officer of the Senedd, and Nia Jenkins from Upcycling Company Lwli Mabli for judging. Cyn i mi cyhoeddi y Canlyniadau, dyma adborth ein beirniaid. Before I announce the results, let's hear the judges' thoughts on the competition. So please don't go off anywhere because we've got the pig stock judging and the singing to come after these results.
Fe oedd hi'n bleser cael beirniadu yr arwyddion diolch i'r gweithwyr hanfodol. It was great to see all the signs that young people had worked on, thanking our key workers. We got so much to thank for. So what was I looking for in the competition? Bit of originality, some thought, some work gone into the design as well, and clarity of message. Felly oedd tyma bach o wreiddioldeb ynglyn â beth oedd yr dyluniad, fod yna waith manwl wedi mynd mewn i'r creu a fod y neges yn glir. Dyna beth o'n i'n chwilio amdano, a fod yna bach o liw a bywyd hefyd yn y dyluniad, fel fod y gweithwyr allweddol yn gallu bod yn heb unrhyw amheuaeth, fod y gymuned yn ddiolchgar iawn iddyn nhw am warchod nhw drwy'r coronavirus. I wanted the sign to be loud and clear to all our key workers that their work had been totally appreciated and continues to be appreciated by people in Wales. Felly, cystadleuaeth wych wedi mwynhau mas draw a llongyfarchiadau i bawb ac yn enwedig i'r rhai ddath ar y brig. Congrats to all the winners.
Hiya, Nia Jenkins yma o HQ Lwli Mabli yn Aberystwyth. Dwi yma gan bod fi cael y fraint o fod yn feirniad yn y sioe frenhinol rhithiol i'r Cystadlaethau Eitem wedi'i uwchgylchu i'r clwb ffermwyr ifanc. O rhaid gweud o safon y Cystadlaethau yn uchel, a mae tipyn o chi wedi cymeriad yr amser yma o fod yn cyfnod clo i wneud darnau i wella sefyllfa cartre, fel pethau yn yr ardd neu pethau pelti edrych yno, a mae'n amlwg bod rhai o chi dy mwy o amser o'r dwylo yn y lleill. Trydydd sydd iawn i'r tasg oedd edrych ar 4 gwahanol categori, a rheina oedd originality, ymddangosiad terfynol, y cyflwyniad, a hefyd y proses dylunio a chreadigol. So beth o'n i'n edrych am yn o'r rhain oedd rhywbeth falle byddwn ni ddim wedi gweld ar y cyfryngau cymdeithasol, hefyd bod digon o lluniau o'r eitem i gael, bod ni'n gweld y camau a gweld beth oedd y deunydd craidd yn cael ei ddefnyddio. Gan bod fi wedi tyfu lan o rhywun oedd yn licio bodio tipyn, byddwn i'n licio gweld darn sydd wedi orffen. So byddwn ddim yn edrych fel bod angen cam bach extra jyst i bennu pethau off. A hefyd bod y llun diwetha'n rili arddangos y darn ar i orau. Oedd y broses dylunio chreadigol yn bwysig hefyd, gan bod iddo fi mae uwchgylchu rhywbeth yn meddwl bod chi'n rhoi bywyd newid i rhywbeth, a bod angen unlau ail creu rhywbeth neu traws newid i edrych tipyn yn well na sydd oedd e. A beth oedd yn amlwg, bod rhai o chi wedi rili eistedd lawr yn meddwl amdano beth o'ch chi moyn wneud cyn dechrau'r proses, a mae'r camau yna'n rili dangos yn y lluniau wedyn. Ond Eto rhaid gweud, oedd y safon yn uchel, a chwarae teg a da iawn i gyd o chi nath cymryd rhan, a diolch yn fawr am y fraint o fod yn fuddiad. Okay, ta-ra!
Dyma ni y canlyniadau a gyrdir Arwydd ar uwchgylchu. Now here we are with the results for the sign and the upcycling. Y tri sy'n dod i'r brig yn yr Arwydd ydy, the top three for the sign are yn gydradd drydydd in equal third, Siwan George, Ceredigion and Gwenllian Owen o Ynys Môn. Yn ail, yn second, Hugh Arfon, Eryri, ac yn gyntaf, Daniel Hym, Brecnoch. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i chi gyd. Y siroedd yn gydradd drydydd yn equal third, Ceredigion ac Ynys Môn. Yn ail, Eryri, ac yn gyntaf, in first, Brecnoch. Llongyfarchiadau. Nesa, y tri sy'n dod i'r brig yn yr uwchgylchu. Now, the three coming in the top three for the upcycling. Yn unigolion, individuals. Yn drydydd, in third, Gwen Thomas o Eryri. Yn ail, in second, Alex Price, Maes Yfed. Yn gyntaf, in first, Gwen Thomas, Ceredigion. Llongyfarchiadau. Y siroedd, so counties in the upcycling. Yn drydydd, Eryri. Yn ail, Radna. Yn gyntaf, Ceredigion. First place, Ceredigion. Llongyfarchiadau mawr. Olaf job heddi ydy i deud lle mae siroedd a diwedd diwrnod 1. So, my last job today is to reveal the county placings at the end of day 1. So,
Fi Llun, a fel arfer y diwrnod mwyaf brysur i mi fel rheolwr y llwyfan achos mae'n amser canu. Ond leni, mae'n 20 sir wedi cystadlu yn y cystadlaeth divas and divos, yn edrych mlaen i weld y holl cystadleuwyr yn canu i chi o'i cartrefi nhw.
Okay, day 2, and it's Monday, and where we would usually have a really busy day with the singing competitions. Yes, we do have the singing competition this year again, but of course in a different format. Yes, today we have the Divos and Divas. So we look forward to seeing what they have in store for us.
And Aled, I must say to everybody back home here, how difficult it was to find Aled earlier because he was hidden in the middle of all the flowers and shrubs in the garden and I couldn't find him in his new camouflage shirt.
I have known love before. I thought it would no more take on a new directions. Still, strange as it seems to be, it's truly new to me that affections. I don't know what you do. You make me think that you will change my life forever. I'll always want you near, give up on you, my dear. I will never. You thrill me, you delight me, you please me, you excite me. You're all that I've been yearning for. I love you, I adore you, I lay my life before you. I only want you more and more. And finally it seems my lonely days are through. I've been waiting for you. carry you all the way, and you will choose the day when you're prepared to greet me. I'll be a good mom, I swear. You'll see how much I care when you meet me. You thrill me, you delight me, you please me, you excite me. You're all that I've been yearning for. I love you, I adore you, I lay my life before you. I only want you more and more. And finally it seems my lonely days are through. I've been waiting for you. Oh, I've been waiting for you.
Get this party started on a Saturday night. Everybody's waiting for me to arrive. I've got lots of style, check my gold diamond rings. I could go for miles if you know what I mean. I'm coming up, so you better get the party started. I'm coming up, so you better get this party started. Sending out a message to all of my friends. We'll be looking flashy in my Mercedes-Benz. I've got lots of style, check my gold diamond rings. I could go for miles if you know what I mean. Get this party started on a Saturday night. Everybody's waiting for me to arrive. I'm coming up, so you better get this party started. I'm coming up, so you better get this party started. The minute you walked in the joint, I could see you were a man of distinction, a real big spender, good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every man I see. Hey, big spender, spend a little time with me. Wouldn't you like to have fun, fun, fun? How's about a few laughs, laughs? I could show you a good time. Let me show you a good time. The minute you walked in the joint, I could see you were a man of distinction, a real big spender, good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every man I see. Hey, big spender, hey, big spender, hey, big spender, spend a little time with me.
Diamonds are forever. They are all I need to please me. They can stimulate and tease me. They won't leave in the night. I've no fear that they might desert me. Diamonds are forever. Hold one up and then caress it. Touch it, stroke it and undress it. I can see every part, nothing hides in his heart to hurt me. I don't need love, for what good will love do me? Diamonds never lie to me, for when love's gone, they luster on. Diamonds are forever, sparkling round my little fingers. Unlike men, the diamond lingers. Men are mere mortals who are not worth going to your grave for. I don't need love, for what good will love do me? Diamonds never lie to me, for when love's gone, they luster on. Diamonds are forever, forever, forever. Diamonds are forever, 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 forever. And ever.
Coi pensieri mai inconi sino testar a tormentar, vien comi montemo in gondola, andaremo fora in mar, passeremo i porti e isole che circonda la città, e il sol morre senza nuvole, e una spunterà. Oh, che festa, che spettacolo che presenta sta laguna, quando tutto è silenzio, quando sluse in cieli aiuna. Espandendo i cabelli morbidi sopra l'acqua indormensata, e a se spessia e a se coccoa come donna innamorata. Ti rasò quel vegno e scondite che io vedo comparir, io se riva e descoverzarde, io se polingeiosir. Sta baveta che te snogoa fra i capelli imbovoiai, nose turbia e deia polvere, dei rode, dei cavalli, vien. Se in concilia i greci venere, se sognava un altro dì, forse ha visto e aveva in gondola una zodia con come ti. Ti sei bella, ti sei giovane, ti sei fresca come un fior. Vien per tutti e sol lagrime. Ridi adesso e fai amor.
Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your ship bare. See how I leave with every inch of you. Don't The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one on you and I'm gonna make it burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making a home down there, well my shore won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you're looking for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me back in kind and repeat what you saw. Never handed me it all. Could have had it all. It all. We could have had it all. raging on the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I can make you happy, make your dreams come true. There is nothing I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love.
Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through in playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leap. It's time to try defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity, and you can pull me down. I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says they're so. Some things I cannot change, but till I try I'll never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love, I guess I've lost. Well, if that's love, it comes at much too high a cost. I'd sooner buy defying gravity. Kiss me goodbye, I'm defying gravity, and you can pull me down. So if you care to find me, look to the western sky. As someone told me lately, everyone deserves the chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those who'd ground me, take a message back from me. Tell them how I am defying gravity. I'm flying high, defying gravity. I'll soon outmatch them in renown. And nobody in all of Oz, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me down. Oh,
making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way through the crowd. 'Cause I need you, and I'll miss you.
fall into the sky? Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles. I could just see you tonight. It's always times like these when I think of you and wonder if you ever think of me. 'Cause everything's so wrong, I don't belong living in your precious memory. 'Cause I need you and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles. I could just see you tonight. Don't wanna let you know, drowning in your memory. Don't wanna let this go. Don't making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass, I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way through the crowd. And I still need you, and I still miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass us by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles. I could just see you. If I could fall into the sky, do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles. I could just see you. If I could just hold you tonight.
Jamie is over and Jamie is gone. Jamie's decided it's time to move on. Jamie has new dreams he's building upon. And I'm still hurting. Jamie arrived at the end of the line. Jamie's convinced that his problems are mine. Jamie is probably feeling just fine. And I'm still hurting. What about lies, Jamie? What about things that you swore to be true? What about you, Jamie? What about you? Jamie is sure something wonderful died. Jamie decides this is right to decide. Jamie's got secrets he doesn't confide. And I'm still hurting. Each day I live, I want to be a day to give the best of me. I'm only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet unknown. I broke my heart, fought every pain to taste the sweet. I face the pain, I rise and fall, yet through it all, this much remains. I want one moment in time, when I'm more than I thought I could be, when all of my dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time, when I'm racing with destiny. Then in that one moment of time, I will feel eternity. I've lived to be the very best. I want it all, no time for less. I laid the plans, now lay the chance here in my hands. Give me one moment in time, when I'm more than I thought I could be, when all of my dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time, when I'm racing with destiny. Then in that one moment of time, I will feel eternity. Oh, you're a winner for a lifetime, if you seize that one moment in time, make it shine. Give me one moment in time, when I'm more than I thought I could be, when all of my dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time, when I'm racing with destiny. Then in that one moment of time, I will feel, I will be free. Oh, I will be free.
Rhan bwysig iawn o'r siow bob blwyddyn yw Barnu Stoc. Ond swn i byth yn cael weld y stoc, Aled, achos ni ar y llwyfan. Ond ni'n dod o'r stoc i chi, a diolch i cwmni Oink Oink am ffilmio'r moch i ni, a mae'r cystadleuwyr wedi bod wrthi yn barnu'r moch ma o'i cytrefi nhw.
Yes, the next stock judging competition will be brought to you this year in a totally different format. Thank you to Oink Oink for the provision of the videos for the competitors to be able to look at them and then give their judgment. So this year, a bit different, but I'm sure they'll do their best just the same.
Mr. Judge.
An excellent specimen was A. Obvious characteristics of a Welsh slop, being lock-eared, bright-eyed and inquisitive.
It had a small neat head with a light jowl. It had a slightly curved back and deep wide loin. The pig had a well-rounded, well-developed hindquarters, and to finish it off it had a thick curly tail.
It had an excellent hindquarter, and she was a good, strong, long gilt. She walked smoothly and outshone the group today.
Starting at the jowl, it was neat and compact, blending nicely into well-covered shoulders. B's top line was exemplary, being long and slightly arched. B showed good spring of rib and flare in the loin. This gilt ham shone in the class today, being capacious and having plentiful fleshing into the hocks. In the underline, B excelled.
Lovely pig was X. Characteristics of a Welsh slop, being long and white.
X, the largest two in their video. Her ears appear wider apart than my previous two and possibly less fullness of the shoulders. She displayed balance throughout and was the only one that I counted 14 teats for. Her loin was complete and hind legs well rounded.
With a wide head, this animal lacked some depth through the neck. However, its well-sprung ribs, strong loins and hams, and well-boned legs gave wide.
It's because it has a bit of a shorter pig and needs a bit more fattening. It has a good back end and good teats on it.
These are my reasons for placing this group of outstanding Welsh pigs in the order.
Barchus beirniaid, gosodaf y cylch o bedair sbynychod magi Cymreig yn y drefn ganlynol.
Roedd dda yn dangos pob un o'r nodweddion roeddech chi'n chwilio am, sef pen twt, ysgwydd flaen, yn cario hyd lled a dymder trwy gydol y corff, a'r hyd lwyn gigog i chwarterol siapus gyda'r ailglyn wedi llenwi i'r eithaf.
A chlys ysgam a gwddw byr sy'n ymdolni ddau'r ysgwydd. Mae'n sbinwch gyda digon o bwyd.
Gosod am X. Roedd hwn yn fochyn da eto, ond ddim i'r un safon a rhai cynt.
Mae ganddi ben ysgam twt ac ysgwydd lydan gigog. Mae'n sbinwch a dymder delfrydol ac fel A yn cerdded yn gywir ac yn daclus. Hefyd fel A.
Felly barchus feirniad, dyma fy rhesymau am ei gosod yn y drefn.
Master Judge, these are my reasons for placing the ring of 4 Welsh pigs in the following order of merit.
A standout pig for me, Mr. Judge. She possessed excellent width in the shoulder that followed through along a top line and into the loin. She then rounded well into her gigot. She paraded well on all fours and possessed 12 teats of equal size and setting. Her ears were at the correct angle.
She was cleaner over the head and jowl with perfectly positioned ears, meeting at the tip just short of the snout, true to breed characteristics, and her excellence continued over her neat shoulders, which blended sublimely into well-set forelegs and led to well-sprung ribs. The neatness of her shoulders particularly apparent when compared to my second place animal.
Gave the advantage over my third place X for showing a greater power throughout, showing greater width of top line, leading to a stronger and fuller looking loin. X I placed third.
By far the most outstanding animal on show here today. B presented a better head, light and fine with better tidier shoulders. The loin was longer and fuller compared to any of the others on show here today.
Place X. Despite lacking in the features to A, which is slightly less length in the ears, X is well coloured for the Welsh breed and parades strong with a longer and leveller top line to B and Y, while also possessing well muscled and developed loin, greatly excelling in width and power to Y in the video. X is superior also with a tremendous ham development and roundness.
Still an outstanding pig, just lacked the width over its loin compared to my previous. X had slightly shorter ears than my previous, not quite joining at the tips. Although this pig was the deepest pig on show today, she had the poorest hindquarters as they were not firm, full or rounded.
Great sized animal, this soul lacks in the power and development in my previous 3. She was weaker in the loin and not being as well rounded at the hams, but she had 14 teats visible, which is ideal in the Welsh sow.
Doedd fframwaith hon mor gryf ar tair.
Judges are my reasons for placing the pen of 4 Welsh pigs in the order.
Dyna yw rhesymau dros osod y cylch o bedair sbinwch foch Gymreig bedigri yn y drefn ganlynol. Diolch am eich gwrandawiad.
Thank you.